Hello everyone. Meet again with my channel Car, Interior and Exterior. In this video we will discuss about Car's 2023 Polestar 3. The Polestar 3 will be an all-new electric SUV. While official Polestar 3 specs and photos haven't been released, an early teaser image shows a crossover with an aerodynamic and commanding stance. According to Polestar, the vehicle will be built in the United States alongside vehicles from its parent brand, Volvo. The company says the Polestar 3 will be built in America for our American customers. Although we don't have Polestar 3 range estimates or battery capacity info, we do know that the SUV will feature an infotainment system based on Google Android OS. For reference, the Polestar 2 EV sedan offers up to 249 miles of range with a dual motor setup. Still considered a boutique brand with showrooms in just a handful of states, Polestar appears to be planning to make its lineup more attainable. We recently learned that the company will cut Polestar 2 pricing by $14,000 for 2022, resulting in a price tag in the low $30,000 range after plug-in incentives. Polestar 3 pricing remains an open question but could land in the neighborhood of low $60,000 to $70,000 range based on the vehicle's expected position in the lineup and the competitive landscape. Stay tuned for updates as they become available. The Polestar 3 is scheduled to arrive in the first quarter of 2023.